Let's learn words families with 8 words. L sound. Make the word at. A, t, a, t. Let's practice some 8 words together. Cat. K, a, t, k, at. Cat. Let's say it again. K, at. Cat. Well done. Good job. Let's move on now. Hat. H, a. Well done. T. H, at. Hat. Let's say it again. H, at. Hat. Excellent. Good job. Let's move on now. Mat. M, a, t. M, at. Mat. Let's say it again. M, at. Mat. You are doing very well. Let's move on now. Rat. R, a, t. R, at. Rat. Let's say it again. R, at. Rat. Well done. Excellent. Let's move on now again. Sat. S, a, t. S, at. Sat. Let's say it again. S, at. Sat. Well done. Excellent. Let's move on now again. Pet. Pet. P, a, t. P, at. Pet. Let's say it again. P, at. Pet. Excellent. Very good. You have done it.